If you have ever had one of the impact machinery sales team speak to you about bandsaws, you've probably heard the term go-to measuring system. This video will show you a little bit about how that works. So in this case, the operator has programmed in a length of about 16 meters, pressed go, and now the shuttle is traveling down the exit conveyor 16 meters. Now the shuttle's arriving into position, so it slows down, locks itself into place, then lowers the measuring system down to the roller conveyors. At this point, the striker plate will advance and wait for the material to strike it. Then the roller conveyors will activate, material will be fed through to the measuring system. Once the material reaches the striker plate, we'll make contact and then slow down. Then it will continue advancing and push a sensor switch, which will disengage the roller conveyors. Now we know the length of this piece of steel between the measuring plate and the cutting blade. That's how the system works. It's that simple.